Okay, thank you very much for your work. I think you have discussed that in the group, and you try to understand the text. That's brilliant. Now, there is some problems, room for improvement for your like essay. Yeah, the first one is the introduction. The introduction should be compact and reflecting what's the essay that you're going to write. Ya, jadi kalau ini hanya bilang here we are going to discuss the content of the text, then what's the content of the text? You have to write it here. Gak bisa kita bilang I would like to talk about the content full stop. Kontennya apa? Ya, karena itu tidak bisa terdefinisikan, maka esainya menjadi blur, gitu ya, menjadi lari kemana-mana. Mari kita lihat. Kontennya tentang apa? Globalization is a condition, so it's a definition. Okay? Condition where trends perceived to be dramatically increased communication and connection among people regardless national and geography. Okay, correct. And that's in the text. Then you elaborate with that. Okay? Then the text is also about globalization in the world, financial causes. Of course, it's mentioned in the text. Tapi ini tuh nggak boleh ditulis begini. Ini harus dalam bentuk paragraf essay, gitu ya. Nggak bisa di bullet points, nggak boleh. Then the text is also about fixed exchange rate. Nah, kan ada tentang globalisasi secara umum, globalisasi finansial, globalisasi tentang exchange rate. Pertanyaan saya, teksnya tentang apa? Nah, itu yang harus di-define, harus dibuat kalimatnya, dimasukkan di sini. Kalau itu belum, esainya kemana-mana, gitu ya. Akan saya kasih dua contoh, mohon diperhatikan. Nah, ini contoh pekerjaan dari kelompok lain. Now, this group said World Financial Reform Process. Dia kasih judul, nggak apa-apa. Then, perhatikan sini. This is the introduction. Economic globalization is increased dan seterusnya. Okay. Local, around, through, dan seterusnya sampai di sini. That's a definition of globalization. Terus dia bilang, one part of globalization is the economy, is the financial sector. Okay. Jadi ngelihat dia ekonominya. In the development of globalization in the final sector had its development journey. Jadi dia hanya akan menjelaskan the development journey-nya. Gitu. Tahapnya stage described below. Nah, ini yang salah ini. Harusnya ini masih bahasa Indonesia. Ya. So the point is, he look at the text, yeah, and he wants to say just about the journey, development journey. Itu karena begini, when you respond to a text, different group will respond differently. Ya, analogi. Kalau anak seni rupa saya suruh bikin tulisan tentang BMW, akan dengan berbeda dengan anak mesin saya suruh nulis BMW. Gitu. Okay, so back to here. The development of globalization final sector had its development journey. Terus dia jelaskan, first period ini, second periodnya ini, gitu kan? Terus the third periodnya ini. Terus the fourth ini. Yeah, and that's the conclusion. Okay, so it's focus and not telling everything. When you try to tell everything what's in the text, you get lost. Ya, itu contoh dari salah satu teman. Akan saya kasih contoh satu lagi. Okay, this is another example. Globalization finance, globalization ini definisi biasa, ya, in the economic sphere people dan seterusnya sama. The third type of things that affected by globalization, finance will be subject of the discussion. Jadi yang akan dia diskusikan bukan globalisasinya, tetapi adalah tentang finance gitu. Okay? So when you can define this clearly, you will not have any problem with your essay. Tapi kalau yang pertama tidak bisa, kesananya pasti kedodoran, gitu ya. Now, finance is the easiest to globalize because it's, dan seterusnya. Okay, very good topic sentence. Kelemahan dari kelompok ini, dia tidak menjelaskan itu apa. Okay, dia hanya on the other hand mengkontraskan tiba-tiba. Ya harusnya idealnya di sini. Lalu second one, globalization of finance, karena dia ngomongnya hanya finance, had long histories. Terus dia jabarkan di sini. Okay, as globalization continues, floating rates are common nowadays. Jadi dia menjelaskan floating rates-nya. That's it. So it's focus, ya, to the point. Not too many things in one essay. Ya. Nah, now what you have to do, tidak harus rewrite, tapi harus mencoba lagi kalau mau. Dan saya sarankan mencoba satu lagi essay. Go to psikologi. Go to preparation materials for final test, text for essay writing, klik. Then, ini dibaca lagi, essay tentang transportation. Ya. Then, you have to choose one of this, salah satu yang Anda dalam kelompok nyaman, read it, and then write the essay. Send it to me, then I'll give you feedback. Ya. Thank you very much.